Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Subway. My name is Namita and today we are back with the camera review of the newly launched beautiful mid-ranger from Honor, the Honor 8X. Yes, we all know that it has got stunning design, but let's see how good the cameras are on this one. So let's get started. Now the camera hardware looks impressive on paper as it comes with 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel AI rear camera. Yes, after the success of Honor 10 and Huawei Nova, the company have added the AI feature in the 8X too. And in the front we have 16 megapixel shooter for the real you. Just kidding. And the Honor has also added the slow-mo video feature which can shoot at 480 frames per second with slow motion up to 16 times. But let's see how it actually performs in the real world. Now we started with clicking some daylight shots. And the pictures look fairly decent. The colors look natural and the details captured are also impressive. But when we click the same pictures with AI mode, the colors of the objects look oversaturated to me. But I feel that some of you might like the ones with the AI feature as it gives you more punchy colors. Or you can say you will not have to add any filters before uploading it on your Facebook or Insta profile, etc. Now here are some sample shots for you to decide whether you like the AI mode or not. We also tried some shots with the portrait mode, but to be true, there was not much of a difference between a normal picture or the ones in the portrait mode. But I'm sure this is a software bug and it will be fine after an update. Anyways, let's move to artificial lighting. Now here scenarios became totally different. The quality of the images totally depend on the amount of light. If the light is good enough, you will still get some crisp shots with good colors like these. But if the artificial lighting is not that great, the shots turn out to be on the softer side, as you can see in these pictures. Now we move to some extremely low light conditions. And to be true, we were not expecting much from the Honor in this department. And I guess we were right, because the pictures turn out to be extremely soft with the normal mode. However, the smartphone also comes with a night mode, which do help the images to have more detail, but the noise level is still significant on these images. Now let's move to the video quality of these cameras. First of all, let me tell you that the camera only allows you to take videos up to 1080p. And the video with these camera seems pretty ordinary, as the details seem to be on the softer side, plus it doesn't seem to be having any kind of stabilization. However, the video quality from the front camera still looks better. And here's a sample.
Shooting this part of the video from the phone's front camera. Also, the audio has been recorded from the phone microphone. So do let me know about the video quality in the comment section below.
Also, the images from the front camera looks fine from selfies perspective, both in good and low lighting conditions. Here are a few sample shots. Also, the selfies from the portrait mode looks nice too, given the price bracket. Now if we talk about the camera app itself, it clearly shows how far smartphone camera has improved over the years. Manual mode, light painting and panorama have become normal features. But adding an AR mode for some social media fun like these is an add-on. It also has an aperture feature with which you can adjust the amount of light you want in your picture. The more the aperture, the more light enters. And the photos taken with this mode turn out to be really impressive. I like to click pictures from this mode more than using the normal photo mode itself. And one interesting thing in the aperture mode is that you can adjust the aperture by refocusing the subject in the image and adjust the light anytime after clicking the picture. Now as said, it comes with a slow motion mode. And if I talk about my experience, the videos were not very sharp. But the slow-mo effect turned out to be good. Here are some sample videos. The best part of this feature is that you can adjust the part you want to be super slow even after saving the video. Overall, we can say that this is a great attempt from Honor to become the best mid-ranger camera smartphone. AI mode with a great camera app. However, we feel that the company can still work more on the image processing by throwing in software updates to impress its customers. Because the low light pictures and the video quality is still a concern if we compare it from Realme 2 Pro or Mi A2. So guys, this was it from today's video. We will shortly come up with the full review of the Honor 8X. Till then, see you, have fun, and don't forget to hit the like button. Bye for now.